Good morning. It is low tide. The surf, well, it's not as rough as yesterday. So good stuff is washing up. We have found a lot of goodies. As you can see, lots of goodies. Now we're trying to see if we can find a couple more before we get back to our room. Oh, those are just cockle shells. I don't really care about cockle shells, but nice big ones. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, yes! Look at that. Look at that.
Oh my God, that's your second?
That's my second one. That was a lucky one. Just walked up to that as it was rolling in. It's just a big cockle. Oh, look at what Robert just found. A small lightning whelk. Awesome. Just wait. That's what his plan of attack is, and it's working out for him. I'm apparently wanting to get my feet frozen off, because that's essentially what they are at this point. Frozen beyond belief. Guys, smoking and shelling. Very talented individual.
What is this?
Oh my God, I don't know. That's a new one for us.
It's a banded turban.
It's a banded turban. That's what Robert gets for reading the bag last night. Our hotel gave us a shell bag. Hey, you sounded good. Sounded like you knew what you were talking about.
You say it with authority.
You say it's. I don't want that one. It's beat up.
You want it, but then you were like.
It's too beat up for my perfection.
What?
You're playing games.
Somebody will think it's a real shell.
As much as there's beautiful shells in the water, I can't do it. My feet are too cold. It is a lot of work.
Waves are beating you down. Yeah.
I can't feel my toes. I can't feel my toes. There's a nice shell line right there, but I know. Yes, I will take a drink of water. Thank you. Oh, that was good. Is this another piece of glass? Oh, second piece of sea glass. That's a nice one. Is that, oh, that's just sand, so he's empty. Did I show that? I think I'm showing it, and then I realize I'm not even on camera. Puppy paw. Kitty paw. Is it puppy paw or kitty paw? I don't remember now. Yeah. Excuse me as I'm coughing. Oh, okay. Do you want to do that before Ding Darling? I don't mind. I'm hungry. Oh, look at that one. That's a nice one. Okay, it's broken, but we'll pretend it's nice. That's a nice scallop.
Yeah, because you got to remember it's Saturday if you wait too long.
All right, we'll go. All right.
No, I'm not there right now.
No, I know. We're almost to our hotel. Anyway, we are having a great morning shelling. I thought I just saw something. It's broken. But we're heading back to our hotel. We're going to go to the Laughing Cow. No?
The ocean cow.
The Ocean Cow?
No,
It's the Laughing Cow. Anyway, we're going to the Laughing Cow
the
first.
laughing cow is the cheese.
Oh, that's true. Well, whatever it's called. Oh, and there's another piece of glass. Interesting. Anyway, I hope everyone is having a happy new year, and we will see you later.